Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a bike trainer. First, securely mount your bicycle onto the trainer, ensuring the quick-release skewer or through axle is properly engaged. Next, adjust the resistance unit so it makes firm, even contact with your rear tire. Inflate your tire to the recommended pressure, typically between 90 and 120 psi, for optimal performance and reduced tire wear. This foundational setup ensures a stable and effective indoor cycling experience. Once your bike is set up, begin your session with a gentle warm-up lasting 5 to 10 minutes. This prepares your muscles for the workout ahead. Gradually increase your effort and resistance, finding a comfortable yet challenging pace. Focus on maintaining a smooth, consistent pedal stroke, aiming for a cadence of 80 to 90 revolutions per minute. Remember to stay well hydrated throughout your ride by keeping a water bottle close by. To enhance your training, consider incorporating interval workouts, alternating between high and low intensity periods. Many virtual training applications offer structured programs and immersive routes, making your indoor rides more engaging. Monitor key metrics like heart rate and power output to ensure you are training within your desired zones. Varying your workouts, perhaps with different resistance levels or cadences, helps target various muscle groups and keeps your routine fresh. Proper maintenance extends the life of your equipment. Regularly clean your bicycle and the trainer to prevent dust and sweat buildup. Periodically inspect the trainer for any loose bolts or signs of wear on moving parts. Using a dedicated trainer tire can significantly reduce noise and prolong the life of your regular road tire. Finally, placing a mat underneath your setup protects your floor and helps absorb sweat during intense sessions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.